What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we will take a look into the Stellar chart and also into the Litecoin chart, what our potential next price targets are, and of course also in which time window we can expect these targets. But before we are getting started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys are brand new, and of course the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. There you get access to all my portfolio and trading updates live and in real time. Also there you get access to my Discord community where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now let's get straight into the analysis. Before we are starting with the Stellar chart, let us also take a quick look into the total market cap. And if you saw yesterday's video, then you can see that it looks like we are playing out my higher probability scenario. So what the historical data were showing us, that we are continuing to going up without the retest of the old all-time high. But also, as I said, when we really hit our target right here, then also we have to expect a 30 to 40% correction. But when there are news about this correction, or when we are right in front of this, or also when I will stack up my position after this correction, you will all get that information right here on my YouTube channel and also in real time on my Patreon account. So definitely make sure to check that out. And right now let's get into Stellar. We can see here that Stellar had a correction. Right now it's almost straightly going back up, and you can see here right now we are above the old high, but we didn't had a daily candle close yet. To be exact, you can see right here that the candle yesterday already had a daily candle close above this zone, but it was really close. So that is I am careful with that when it will be very close. So I'm not counting this candle, but today's candle, of course the daily candle is not closed yet. It can of course change, but right now it looks good that we will have the first daily candle close, the first clear daily candle close above this old this local high right here. And that means that we can now do the price prediction for the next time, and also with our next price target. And we can do this right now. So of course the price target is not active right now, because right now the daily candle close is not confirmed. But if we should be closing above this daily open candle, then this price target will confirm. And let us take a look where the next price target is. The next price target in Stellar would be right here at 63.588 cents, and in a time window, so very likely we would reach that till the 18th of March, so in a little bit more than 1 month. And let us also take a look at how far this is away right now. So from the current point where we are at, this would be another 37%, and that is of course very nice. But you can see it is in the time window, it is pretty short to medium term time frame. But I also want to show you something. For example, right here in RSR, we are hitting right now my last price target, and you can see here, where is the video here about RSR. You can see here reserve rights RSR analysis, next price target is 6 cents. And you can see this right here, that was my price target. And what I want to show you with this is that very often when it is the first rectangle, we are hitting the price target before the time window extended. So that is not unusual, that is even very likely in the first rectangle. So I'm always expecting in the first rectangle that the most likely we will hit this somewhere in the middle of this rectangle. But of course the time window can be shorter, can be longer. But for us it is important that we are reaching this price target in this time window of this rectangle. And of course, if the price target will be hit earlier, then this is of course a bullish and a positive sign for us. If the price target would not be reached till the date, so till the extension date, then this is a bearish sign, and that is not very good. But yeah, let's us take a quick look back into Stellar. So you can here see Stellar price target is at 63.588 cents in a time window till the 18th of March. And as I showed you before, also likely would be that we will reach it here, for example, till the beginning of March, maybe even a little bit earlier, maybe a little bit later. But as I said, in the first rectangle, it is very likely that we will reach this target before the 18th of March. And that's it about Stellar. Let's switch to Litecoin. And you can see right here in Litecoin, right now we have daily, not a daily candle close yet, but if this candle should close like this, then we are also above the old local high right here. Of course, you can see also it is very, very, very close also right here. So would be also very good if we are going a little bit more up, more to the upside. But right now it is looking good. And also right now here the price target is not confirmed yet. It will just confirm if we have a daily candle close above the old local high right here at around 186.40. So we need a daily candle close above this, and then our next price target in Litecoin would be, let's assume that today will be the daily candle close. Of course, if the daily candle close will be tomorrow, then the time window will also extend. But we are assuming that today we will get the daily candle close above the old local high, and then we would have a price target in Litecoin of $267.63 in a time window till the 15th of March. So I think the time window is pretty close to what we saw in Stellar. Stellar was the 18th of March, Litecoin is the 15th of March. So that is pretty similar from the time window. And also here in Litecoin, the same thing is counting. So also very likely that we will reach this before the 15th of March. So that would be very good, and that would be also likely. Of course, if we are not closing above this this level here of 267.63 in this time window, then of course this will be a bearish sign. And as I showed you in yesterday's video, let us quickly go back to the total market cap. As I showed you from the previous cycle, you see right here we had the first outbreak of the high, so outbreak of the last all-time high in the total market cap back in 2018. Then we got through it dynamically, retest the old high, got this consolidation stage right here, and now we are breaking out of this. And let me quickly show you how this was looking like in back in 2016, where we got the last time, where we did this the last time. You can see here also outbreak, and then we are just going up with some small corrections, and that is also in a time window of almost 1 month. So that would be a match with our time window. But of course, if there should be any updates, then of course you will get it right here on this YouTube channel, and also first in real time on my Patreon account. So make sure to check that out. And that is the price target for Stellar. Stellar price target is 63.5 cents, and Litecoin target is here, 267.63 cents. That are the two price targets for these two coins. If you have any questions about that, then feel free to write them down in the comments. Also, if you have another opinion, also feel free to write that down in the comments. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates, and of course check out the Patreon link in the video description. It is the first link and it is absolutely worth it, so definitely make sure to check that out. That's it for this video. See you in the next one, and as always, have a nice day.